It's a really long drive and suddenly, Daddy, I need to poop. It's gonna make my arms really tired. So I decided to build this toilet chair so I can use while we're on the road or camping. I'm making it from two square frames, and for joint I'm using dowels. I'm clamping these 4 plates to make the main sitting area. While the glue is drying, I'm connecting the 2 frames in the middle with a nut and a bolt. I'm using a round over bit to round everything with the trimmer. After the glue dry, I'm cutting with a jigsaw a hole in the middle of the main sitting area. I'm sanding everything first time with 60 grit and then with 150 grit sanding paper. All the wood I'm using in this project is scrap wood that I found in the dumpster. This bolt is from a bed frame, is stuck in the middle of the log. Drilling holes for the metal inserts. I'm cutting 4 small dowels from this piece of metal, making the tip a little bit rounder. I'm connecting the dowels to the frame with epoxy glue. I'm connecting a small metal chain so it will hold the legs while I'm bringing the main sitting area on the top. I'm making a small room for a little neodymium magnet to hold a bag if needed. I cover everything with some varnish for protection. I will find a place to stop. I can dig a small hole in the ground or use a paper or plastic bag or none of the above. I can make it smaller with this attachment for a girl or for a boy with this attachment. I'm gonna check if it is strong enough so I can stand on it. And I can.